Hey guys, this is Scott at Gresham Toyota. Today I'm taking a look at the 2021 Toyota Rav4 Prime. These things are amazing. I'm going to drive it, do a little walk around on it. Let me know what you think, and take care guys. Let's kick into it. So let's walk around it really quick, make sure everything's nice and tight. Make sure no doors are open. This is a Rav4 SE Prime. I have the pleasure today of driving it. This is Scott at Gresham Toyota. Man, it looks amazing. 302 horsepower, 42 miles on all electric. Then it switches back to the gas and the hybrid system. It's a nice smart key, so it's easy to get into. This is just to seat a little bit. Pop on in. Sweet. I'm excited. I mean, it feels like a cross between an LE and an XLE as far as the technology goes. Tons of power. You can cycle from hybrid vehicle to electric vehicle modes. You can do that pretty easy. Right now I'm just gonna have EV on. You can still get the blind spot mirrors, which are quite nice to have. Oh, sorry. Tons of torque. I love how smooth the Rav4 is. Nice and quiet too. Right now we're all electric. I made sure it was nice and charged. This is the first year of the Rav4 Primes. We cannot keep enough of these. These usually sell as soon as they hit the lot. I'm so happy my boss let me drive it. I can't put a ton of miles on it today, guys, so it's just gonna be a quick loop. If you guys want to see more Rav4 videos or more Toyota videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is Scott at Gresham Toyota. Nice. This also has road sign assist, so it kind of tells you, it picks up the road signs and it shows it on the dash. Just a quick drive today, guys. Nice little loop. Yeah, electric vehicle mode is awesome. Let's turn it to hybrid. And you have the regenerative braking. Awesome get up and go. Super smooth like the Rav4. I can see why this is one of the best selling SUVs. If you can get your hands on a Rav4 hybrid or a Rav4 Prime, I would definitely recommend it. Right now the federal rebate is about $7,500. That's always given the change, just because the more we sell, the less it becomes. But yeah, awesome smooth electric power steering, good control, good suspension, nice and smooth, seats are comfortable. You still have all your different drive modes, eco, normal, and sport. You also have EV. This also have hybrid vehicle mode. So you have lots of different drive modes. So up front, you know, you have your 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. You have your hybrid system, hybrid synergy drive right there. Fuses, air intake, all your coolants and fluids up here, your brake fluid up there. So you also get 2 years free maintenance and also 2 years of roadside assistance, which is quite nice to have. The Toyota reliability is absolutely amazing. I've seen hybrid vehicles over 20 years old and they just keep on going. Sweet. So the SE has cloth seats. There's your charging cable right there. It's sweet that you still get a spare tire. That's pretty awesome. On a lot of these Primes, you do not get a spare tire. Sunroof, because it has the sunroof package. You also have the heated steering wheel, windshield deicer, heated seats, power driver's seat, normal passenger seat, just the Entune audio. Nice. Your back seats is going to look a lot like the hybrid Rav4. It's going to feel a lot like the hybrid Rav4. It just has so much more power. Hey guys, this is Scott M at Gresham Toyota. This is the 2021 Toyota Rav4 SE Prime in the hypersonic red color. It's super nice. This has the basically the weather and the sunroof package. You have a really nice body kit in the front. This has over 302 horsepower. You get 42 miles on an all-electric charge. Once it switches back to the hybrid system, it's gonna get 40 mpg, but this thing looks absolutely amazing. The SE is kind of trimmed off the LE model, so you notice no fog lights. I did notice though you have a power driver's seat, so that's nice to have. Nice LED lights, kind of its own brand of lights right there. Notice the different lenses. Nice grille up front, kind of an SE package grille. Awesome alloy wheels, a lot like the Limited and the XSE wheels. Color keyed mirrors. You got your plug-in hybrid system. You got your black body panels. You got your black fender flares. Let's see if it has a power lift gate. Oh, it does have a power lift gate. I mean, I'd say it's a little bit closer to an XLE too. So it's kind of between an LE and an XLE for the SE package. Tons of space. You really don't lose a ton of space in this. You know, you have a little bit bigger battery in the back. You'll notice that little curve. Yeah, these are super nice. And then let's see, this is the recharge it. Bam. So 110 or 220, super easy. You also have an adapter in the vehicle. Oh, cool! You actually get a kit. Nice, relay infused. Nice, pretty cool. Now let's close this a little bit. Okay. Awesome.